Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by preparing the image so it's searchable. Use a clear, front-facing photo and crop tightly to the face. Once done, save as JPG or PNG under 5 MB so platforms accept it. Make sure device location and time metadata are enabled if you want contextual clues later. Next, you'll decide whether to use Facebook's own tools, reverse image searches, or ask friends. Each path needs the same clean, focused photo to work reliably. Now you'll execute searches. First, post the photo privately to Messenger or a close friends list and ask for identification. Facebook's social graph helps because friends share context. Then you should run a reverse image search on Google Images or TinEye to find identical or similar photos elsewhere. These show other profiles or web pages. Also inspect mutual friends, group posts, and event galleries on Facebook where the photo might be tagged. Combining social and web results increases your chance of a correct match. To finish, confirm identity confidently. Compare profile photos, posts, and mutual friends across sources before reaching out. If you find one lead, message politely and explain how you found them. Be transparent. If there are no matches, retry with a higher quality photo, different crops, or post to interest groups where the person may appear. If results are incorrect or the search raises privacy concerns, stop, block the profile, and consider reporting. Respecting boundaries is essential when using images to find people.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.